Hello everyone, my name is Tsai and I'll be your instructor for this course. Before we officially begin, I'd like to take a moment to share my story because it might sound familiar. Even though I now hold a PhD in mathematics, as a university student, I was once someone who struggled deeply with this very subject. That all changed when I met a mentor who showed me a completely new way to approach math. This experience taught me a crucial lesson. Success in math is not about talent, it's about having the right method. Because I've walked the same path of confusion you might be on now, I've designed this course to be different. My goal is to guide you along a smoother road with this proven method, helping you not only master calculus, but also build a powerful system for thinking. Alright, let's talk about the central struggle most people face when learning calculus. The question on the screen gets right to the core pain point. You understand the definition, so why does your mind still go blank when you're faced with a problem? Have you ever found yourself thinking, okay, I've learned the theory, now what? If a course only provides one or two simple examples, how can we possibly tackle truly difficult problems? Or when you can't solve something, where does the issue really lie? Is it a lack of fluency, not enough practice, or a simple lack of exposure to the variations? But most importantly, when you turn off the video and close the book, what are you left with? Is it just a collection of scattered steps, or is it a complete blueprint that you can apply flexibly? Do you truly understand the story behind the formulas and grasp the deep connections between each concept? These are the exact barriers that we are going to break through one by one in this course. To solve these problems, what I've designed is not just a course, but a complete system for thinking. This system is built on 5 pillars. First, we will provide a clear roadmap, giving you a big picture view so you never get lost. Second, we will constantly emphasize the connections between concepts, so you understand the cause and effect. Third, we will provide abundant examples, far more than in a typical lecture, to ensure you completely understand. Fourth, before you even start practicing, we will systematically break down classic problem types so you can learn to handle any variation. And finally, we will use the most rigorous logic to develop your ability to think and communicate like a mathematician. These 5 points will be our compass for the journey ahead. So, what does the map for this journey look like? Let's take a look at our learning blueprint. This is how we will construct the world of calculus in this first volume of the course. We'll start at the very foundation with the concept of limits. This is the starting point for all analysis, like the bricks of the calculus world. With these solid bricks in place, we can then learn to describe change using derivatives, which is the language of calculus. Once we've learned this language, we can use it to analyze and solve all kinds of practical application problems. Finally, we'll get our hands on the reverse operation of differentiation, the integral, building a powerful toolbox for ourselves. From bricks to language to applications to a toolbox. This is an interconnected, progressive process. We'll go one step at a time with no gaps. The first highlight of this course and the core value I want to share most is that we don't just teach you how to calculate. We care deeply that you understand why you are learning it. In many courses, knowledge is isolated, but here we give you your own personal knowledge map from the very beginning. For example, please look at the screen. When we study limits in Chapter 1, I will clearly show you how this concept becomes the foundation for the definition of derivatives in Chapter 2, how it's applied in L'Hopital's rule in Chapter 3, and how it connects all the way to the fundamental definition of the integral in Chapter 4. What you will gain is a clear bird's eye view, so that the knowledge in your mind is no longer a series of scattered islands, but a tightly connected web. The second highlight of this course, and our core design principle, is to specifically solve all of your learning pains. We achieve this in 5 ways. First, our course outline makes the learning goals completely transparent, so you always know where you are. Second, before you practice, we'll first do an in-depth problem analysis. Third, we provide incredibly detailed explanations for our examples, refusing any logical jumps. Fourth, we will constantly connect the dots between chapters, allowing you to see the full picture of the knowledge. And finally, all of this will help you build truly clear mathematical thinking. These 5 points are our promise to you. So, after you finish this course, what you'll take away is definitely more than just the knowledge of calculus. What you'll take away is a perspective for seeing the big picture and a method for effective learning. The core design of this course is to give you your time back. With a complete learning map and an interconnected knowledge system, you can say goodbye to rote memorization and fruitless trial and error. Our ultimate goal is to give you more time to enjoy your university life, to join clubs, to build relationships, while also turning calculus into your analytical superpower, not a black hole that consumes your time. This is a journey to upgrade your thinking, designed for you. I look forward to seeing you in the course.